Dear students, today we will discuss prevention and safety measures because of floods. Means what should we take or what should we adopt while floods are there, or what kind of measures should we adopt? First of all, measures to prevent a flood. Means if the floods are there, what should we do? First of all, dikes and levees along the river channels. Means we should make like dikes and levees or dams along the rivers. Means if these are the river channels, what is the problem during the flood? The water comes out from the banks of the river. Water overflows from the river. So if we construct dams along the if we construct dam to save extra water during rainy days, so it would be better if we construct dikes and levees, so the extra water should go along the banks of the river, and they do not harm the population, or they do not harm the property. Means the construction sites are safe, then the properties are safe, then people are safe, then if dikes, levees or dams are there to save extra water. Then plantation of trees on steep slopes would be helpful in controlling floods. Means if you are living on slopes, or if you are living in the valleys, so if you are planting trees on the slopes, what will happen? Obviously it will stop the floods, it will stop the flow of the flood. Means मैंने आपको शायद आगे भी डिस्कस किया था, if you are in a room and you are throwing water, तो आपका अगर कमरा खाली है तो पानी बिल्कुल आराम से वाइप आउट हो जाएगा, लेकिन अगर आपके कमरे में सामान है तो ये जगह जगह खड़ा हो जाएगा. सेम इज़ द केस इफ़ प्लांट्स आर देयर, इफ़ ट्रीज आर देयर, सो वाटर इज स्टॉप्ड बाय दीज प्लांट्स एंड ट्रीज. Then plantation of better drainage facilities in urban areas to drain sewage and rainwater. Means if we are having drainage facilities, means if we have drain pipes, if we had if we dig drain pipes, means huge drain pipes, or if we insert huge drain channels, so the sewage and rainwater may not come out, or may not cause harm to property and lives. So now how do we protect life and property? In case of flood warning, immediately shift costly belongings to the higher places. Means if you hear, or if you have heard any warning from the government side that floods are there, what should you do? First, take out your or shift your costly belongings. If you are having jewelries, if you are having money, so shift it to the higher places, so it may be safe. Means if you are on the ground floor, you can shift it to the upper story or first story or the second story, right? Documents are very precious, so it should be saved, or it should be shifted to the higher places. Means if you are living on ground floor, you can keep them, or you can take them to the first floor or second, or on the roof. Then electricity connection may be disconnected. First of all, electricity connection may be disconnected. You have heard about the key electric issues in previous years, especially in rainy days. A lot of casualties were there because of electricity. So electricity should be disconnected, not not only by the government side, but also from our side too. Means if you are living in a house, just disconnect or there and just neutralize the main switch, off कर दें उसको. Then during a flood, never try to cross flowing water. मतलब अगर आपका पानी बहुत तेज़ है तो don't try to cross it कि we are champion, we can cross it. No, stop there. Find secure and high places for a shelter. Vacate low-lying areas. If you are living low-lying areas, means if you are living here and water is coming out from this side, or water is coming from this side, leave the place. Stay away from the power lines, means stay away from the electric pole, the sector. In case someone is drowning, throw something like a tire or a wire to rescue him. So don't jump into the water, right?